Hi Mayam, Capex Beauty da amuhana welcome tawzari. Ngasi video se favorite of the month share tawzaba video ne. Aduga ngasi share tawzari ba product sina Innisfree gi green tea hydration duo set ki kit ne. Sigi kit se 5 products yaure e monde yaure se cleanser yaure e toner, serum, cream aduga mask amuga yaure e. Sigi product manga sigi manungda full size se product ani khatane magi cleanser siga serum siga se full size ne asigi set se magi MRP se 2650 rupees PA. First of all, sigi kit se aigi wakhaladi almost all skin types da janagani hena khalle because sigi products sing se yam mild oye khoi gi skin sida aduga mon the hek table raga am soothing oy bada aduduma oy. Sigi hydration kit say I don't use it every single day but maybe 3 times in a week haidi aigi skin say am dry oy ba matam da adugi kanduda I use it and I really like it. Ahanbada magi product se Innisfree green tea foam cleanser ne aduga magi price se 150 ml da 700 rupees oibane MRP da. Sigi cleanser se mana foam high targasu I find it to be very mild which I really like. Aduga magi manam se yamna mild ba yam nushiba manam amasu yawe. Sigi cleanser se honestly agi wakal dadi it will suit almost all skin types because hana hai bagi type ma se yam mild oye aduga akhoi gi skin da ta khra matung rigid oy bagi feeling do adu duma supi pi de and then added bonus in a green tea yawase. This is a very nice cleanser overall. Aduga sigi cleanser sigi khwaidigi phaba amna magi 150 ml oiba tube se it will last you a long time because dot macham khangna it'll cover the whole face aduna mas am kuina chatkani. Sigi Innisfree green tea foam cleanser say I think oily skin, acne prone skin, even dry and sensitive skin da so adum chanagani na khalle. Overall I have been using this for about 20 to 25 days and I really like it aduga continue adum tawkini sizinaba. Next mangonda yaura product say toner ne aduga magi maming sina Innisfree green tea seed skin ne. Sigi toner se I experienced the combination skin natraga dry skin na he na chanaga dry na kale because it gives you a little hydration aduna oily skin gumba oiba dadi it might be a little thick. Other than that, Sigi's toner so it's very mild, used over the irritation, redness, thokpa khotpa kem to taude, and again magi whole kit Sigi matungin. It has this really nice mild smell. Yam hydration oiba kitang thick oiba toner am palm tar di Sigi Innisfree green tea the lakpa toner say this is a very nice option. Next mangonda yaura product say serum ne aduga magi ming sina Innisfree the green tea seed face serum ne. Sigi product say full size ne aduga magi price na 80 ml da 1950 rupees PA. Sigi serum say magi whole kit sida this is my favorite product. Sigi serum say again I think it will suit almost all skin types. Kayino haidi mas mild oye first of all and then mas stickiness oibedo adudu makem ta yaude aduga mongonda seasonaba kanda irritation redness thokpa adugu makem ta leite. Aduga best thing about Sigi serum se mase akhoi gi skin sida full hydration be haidi what sometimes akhoi gi skin se when we feel a little dehydrated or a little dry Sigi serum sina it gives you that pack of hydration aduna apply to mutung after a while akhoi gi skin se am rejuvenated or bagi feeling do adudum be which I really like. Acne tauba natraga acne scars ki treatment tauba se dermatologist na tharakpa medication miyam do it makes our skin a little dry and my skin has become a little dry because I have been going through those things aduna sigi serum sa ina try taugen tawbane and I really like it. Haidi agi skin sina isingi sar wat pado sigi serum sina I think it replenishes that aduga sigi serum sina it helps my skin get the glow aduga to an extent acne do aduzuna sina calm taw hena khale. Next ki product say cream ne aduga maming sina Innisfree green tea seed cream ne. Ahanbada sigi cream say agi experience ki matungina di it's a little thick but hojikti winter oira banina our skin will tend to get drier, so hena ingak pong matamda I'll use it. But hojiki oina di sige se it's a little thick, but nungdang na use tau targadi I think it's fine. Sige cream se if you want a full moisturizing, full hydrating facial cream, this is a very nice one because it's a acne cause steroid. Rather it will help you heal your acne and it will help calm your skin down. If you don't mind the thickness a little, then this is a very nice cream for you. Last mangonda yara iba pot se sleeping mask ne, aduga magi ming sina Innisfree green tea sleeping mask ne. Sleeping mask haiba product se akhoi gi nungdang gi skincare routine after all the things that you have done, adugi matungda to lock the moisture in, to lock everything in, sleeping mask se apply tongna bane. Sige sleeping mask se I think this is a very nice sleeping mask. First of all, mask se thama muksure a seasonarakpa, aduga not every single day, we don't need a sleeping mask every single day. This sleeping mask se it calms the skin down, aduga it does what it claims to do, haidi akhoi full moisture lock in tawda sige sinja full tawe. So if you have dry skin, natraga if you have gone through some treatment which has made your skin dry, this sleeping mask it helps a lot. Aduga if you want a cooling and a soothing one, sigi green tea gi sleeping mask I think you will really like this. Aroibada akhoi skin say if you're using a lot of active ingredients, haidi vitamin C gumba, BHA, AHA gumba, dugumba yam season targadi akhoi skin say it will lack moisture and it will lack hydration over time. So skin ga chana ba moisturizer aphawa ma season ba it's very important. Aduga moisturization and hydration wa targadi akhoi skin do it will become dry and irritated, aduga acne cause tarakposu yai. So aduna skin do hydration piba, skin do moisturize toba is very important. Aigi wakaldadi sige Innisfree gi green tea gi rain se skin se rehydrate toba, if I can say that. Aduda yam help togani na khale. I have been enjoying using these products, especially magi green tea gi foam cleanser siga magi serum siga, they are very nice. Aduga sleeping mask so aduga if you have more drying or drier concerns, adoitarisi cream and toner so you will really enjoy this. So overall I wakal the sigi Innisfree gi whole kit se 2,600 rupees ta. I think we are getting very good value for money. Kasigidi sidalo sinjarage. I hope you liked the video. Aigi channel sibu support tobiro o, like su tobiro, comment su, aduga subscribe su tobiro. Thank you. Bye.